One thing you NFL players, NBA and baseball players in the league of the big league, top dogs, need to know is you can't let them keep on to you. I mean, mock you to the teeth. For instance, Cam Newton went all the way, got to the Super Bowl, they perfected the dab and jip, jip, jab. Hit him in the butt with some sad. Boy, if y'all ain't learned what they did to me, you gonna be like me. Something on they like to pee. Eat, eat, eat. Who else? LeBron. Eat. Boy, they on Kawhi. Leonard, my name in the French class, they took me out of to learn 100 multiplication problems in a minute. I like, I got it. Can I go back in the French? They like, no. I like, but they're picking it up. Bonjour. And they was like, no, he didn't say, was he picking it up good? Goodbye. I was like, what? Did I say goodbye? Bonjour. I mean, bon. Because I ain't get to learn it. Is it plus? Comment allez-vous? What? Voila, Monsieur Dolphin. Wood. Voila, Mademoiselle Tebow. Not Tim Tebow, damn it. That was just the name of the person. It was Mr. Tebow anyway. But I just made it up. Mademoiselle, Mademoiselle. Mademoiselle Walker. CJ Ben. They're going to get my ass. I'm doomed, y'all. 7-1, I'm out now, but they're going to pluck me off. They got a sword off. Double barrel now. Shotgun at them, man. And y'all talking about y'all fighting the militia. I know who y'all really fighting. The 7-1, I got the advantage ratio.